Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Let's begin by lightly sketching the car's basic silhouette. Focus on getting the overall length and height correct, paying close attention to the low-slung profile and wide stance. Next, define the main body lines and the positions of the large wheel arches. This foundational step is crucial for ensuring your drawing has accurate proportions from the start, making the detailing process much smoother. Now, let's bring out the Sterrato's unique character. Begin by adding the prominent roof-mounted air intake, a signature feature. Then, focus on the rugged fender flares, which give it that off-road ready look, and the practical roof rails. Don't forget the distinctive rally-style LED light bar on the front, which truly sets this model apart. These elements are key to capturing the Sterrato's adventurous spirit and aggressive design. Moving on to the details that add depth and realism. Carefully draw the chunky off-road tires and the specific design of the wheels, which are essential for its rugged appeal. Next, add texture to the protective plastic cladding and the front and rear skid plates, emphasizing their robust nature. Finally, refine the intricate details of the headlights and taillights, ensuring they reflect the car's sophisticated yet tough aesthetic. These elements truly make the drawing pop. For the final touches, let's add shading to give your Sterrato drawing depth and a three-dimensional feel. Consider the light source and how it interacts with the car's curves and angles, creating shadows and highlights. Use highlights to show reflections on the glossy paintwork and glass, making it look more realistic. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. A well-shaded drawing truly brings the vehicle to life, showcasing its powerful presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.